Hey there guys, my name is Wethu Mbusi and welcome back to my channel. So as you know, to have a successful day, you need to have a very good morning. But it's very difficult to do that if you cannot wake up. I know you might have slept late last night, which you shouldn't have done that. And you know what? Or maybe you are working on something, which congrats to you. Now it's difficult to wake up and you have been struggling with this for a very long time. Well, I have 5 tricks and tips to make sure that you wake up in the morning, and they're quite effective. Number one, we all know that we have to keep our phone away from us. Well, this is the tip number one: keep your phone far away from you. Well, the first thing that we tend to do when we wake up, or what I used to tend to do, is wake up and check my phone and just go back to sleep immediately. I'm lazy to wake up, and yeah, when the alarm rang, I would switch off that alarm like that. I didn't want to hear the alarm. You know you can hear it, but you just switched it off. Why did you do that? Just keep your phone far away from you, or the furthest part of your bedroom. Keep it in your wardrobe, and whenever it rings, you are forced. You need to wake up to go and switch it off. Otherwise, it's just gonna ring like hell, and you know how annoying that sound is. Number two, once you have gotten up, don't go back to bed. Instead, do at least one rep of a burpee. So I got this from I was searching through YouTube tips and tricks of how to wake up in the morning, and they gave me so many things, but there was just one that interested me. One, and it was, and I forgot, I really forgot where I found the video. I clicked onto it, and whenever you do one rep of something, it immediately rushes blood, because you were resting on all of that. It rushes blood to the rest of the body, your brain and all. Now that instantly makes you wake up. Number three, drink water, especially cold water. It's good for your immune system. It'll shock you that coldness and quench that you get once you have drink cold water in the morning, most especially in the morning. At least drink 1 glass or 1 bottle, whatever you prefer, of water, and you'll be good to go. Number four is very interesting because it has happened to almost every one of us. Have you ever been so excited to do something interesting on that day? Like maybe you're going to visit family, or you're going on a school trip, or whatever. Whatever it is, but it was, you know it's going to be fun, and you couldn't sleep the previous night. Even in the morning, you wake up fresh. Well, do the same psychological thing to your brain in the morning. Find one exciting thing the night before that you want to do the following morning or the following day. And once you wake up, remind yourself about that fun activity. And I guarantee you, you will wake up. Like for me, I always find having to go to practice, or maybe I would just find something interesting throughout the day that I want to do, and just use it as a motivation to wake up and get out of the bed. Finally, number five, go for a hot to cold shower. Now you still drowsy, you still sleepy. Now you enter the shower, you splash yourself with hot water. What does that do? It relaxes you, it relaxes your muscles. You feel sleepy and all of that. And and when you get out of the shower, what happens then? You feel you feel very drowsy. You feel like you want to sleep. And that is not good, because that's not the point of getting energetic. What you should do: take your normal shower, finish bathing and all of that, and then switch off the hot water and put it full cold. You will instantly wake up. Stay there for 10 to 15 seconds. I wouldn't suggest you from the bed, you just go for a minute or two. So guys, I hope you really enjoyed that video. Those are my 5 tips and tricks to waking up in the morning. And you know what, since I like you, I'm gonna give you 2 bonuses. Bonus number one is actually to don't think about sleeping. Before you ask me, how do I not think about sleeping when I'm asleep? You see, when your alarm rings, now don't think about going back to bed. Instead, count to 5. And as soon as you get to 1, don't even think of saying, oh, now I have to wake up. Immediately jump out of your blankets. And what that does, once you repeat it constantly, you are able to get more assignments done. It's called the 5-second rule. So 5 seconds, you 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. As soon as you hit 1, you jump out of the bed. Don't even think about it. Don't do whatever. Just jump straight out of the bed. And then tip number 2 is to make your bed. As soon as you have jumped out of your bed, make your bed. do whatever, sort whatever you need to do your bed immediately. What that also does to your brain is telling your bed that it is set and I cannot go back in there, or else you'll just have to do double the work. So yeah, guys, as I've mentioned, this is the end of the video, and make sure to follow my Instagram at Wethu I'll leave a link down below, and I post here and there. And please, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. And if you already have subscribed, thank you so much. And make sure to give me the like button, make it blue, and let's make it go crazy. Um, and final thing, I just want to say peace. See you next time, guys.